How to start an online business with no experience. The actual exact steps. Most people think they need experience to start a business. The truth, you don't. You need the right system. Think you need experience to start an online business? Honestly, think again. If you're feeling lost, overwhelmed, or like you don't have the right skills, this is for you, as it has been for me. I'm about to break down the exact steps to starting a profitable online business, even if you've never done this before. Step one, changing your mindset from employee to entrepreneur. Most people fail because they don't think like a business owner. For starters, stop waiting for permission. Society teaches us to follow rules, but entrepreneurs create their own path. You don't need a degree, a boss, or experience, just action. The most successful entrepreneurs started without knowing everything. Two, understand that online business is a skill, not luck. Business success is not about getting lucky. It's about learning real skills, just like a new job. You learn as you go. The difference, instead of working for someone else, you're building your income. Next, your why must be bigger than your fear. Most people quit because they let fear win. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of looking dumb. Your desire for freedom must be greater than your fear. Drop a fire sign if you're ready to shift your mindset and take action. Two, picking a business model that works for you. Not all online businesses are created equal, just like everything. Here's what works best. Choose a model that pays 100% profits. Affiliate marketing, you make 5 to 30%. MLMs, you split money with your upline. The best business, you keep 100% and control pricing. Next, avoid businesses that require constant hustle. If you must be present to earn, it's a job, not a business. You need systems that work when you're offline, sleeping, traveling, whatever. Digital automation, income while you sleep. Next, pick a proven system, not one you have to build from scratch. Starting from zero, it can take years or lifetime. Using a proven model with training and mentorship speeds up your success. You don't need to guess, just follow the roadmap like GPS. Which business models have you tried before? Comment below. Next, taking your first action, even if you're scared. I was. The biggest mistake, waiting for the perfect moment. Start now. There is no such thing as perfect moment. Set up your business today, not someday. Most people wait months or years before taking action. The fastest way to learn is just jump in and start now. Action beats endless research every single time. Leverage mentorship and support instead of doing it all alone. Successful entrepreneurs don't do it alone. They learn from experts. The right community pushes you, supports you, and accelerates your growth. You don't have to figure this out on your own. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. That's what kills most people. Too much thought. You don't need a website, logo, or fancy tools to start. Focus on one skill at a time. Don't get overwhelmed. Just start step one and keep moving forward. My next video, I'm talking about why this business model is the future to income. Comment ready and I'll send you more.